everyone, this is Leslie and you're watching Midlife and Nailing It. If you could please hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up, I'd really appreciate it. Today I'm participating in a summer decor collab with the Cleaning Mommy. There will be a link to her channel in my description box below. If you're coming from her channel, welcome. Please say hello and drop your favorite emoji in my comments below. I'd love it if you decided to be part of my YouTube community. The Cleaning Mommy sent a description about her channel, so let's watch that now. My video about 5 easy ways to update your outdoor patio for summer will follow.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is PATIO and I am the Cleaning Mommy. I am a wife to an amazing husband and a mom to 2 awesome little boys. On my channel, I give you guys realistic, everyday mom life of a mom with a toddler and a baby. You can find plenty of cleaning motivation, cooking inspiration, day in the life of a stay-at-home mom, decorating, and so much more on my channel. So after you finish watching Midlife and Nailing It, I would love for you guys to come on over to my channel and show some support by watching, subscribing, and hitting that notification bell.
Okay guys, so it's going to be kind of hard to film out here because it's such a small space. I'm not even kidding, but this really needs a spruce up. We were actually supposed to be in our house in June, and because of COVID, it's probably going to be September. They said August, September, but it is not going to be August. They're nowhere near done. I'm hoping for September. It will really, really suck if it's October. I might lose my mind, but anyways, I'm going to try to do my best filming out here. This is such a small space, you guys. It's just like there's hardly nothing to it, but I do want to spruce it up since we are going to be here the rest of summer and into early fall. I need to have a space that's kind of nice to sit out. Having said that, I am not going to do a lot of things. I don't want to spend a ton of money because we're not going to be here very long. And I am not 100% sure how I will be designing my yard and my patio and all that kind of stuff. That will come later, and I'm sure I'll do a video on it. But for now, I want to make this space a little bit better so it's a little more bearable, you know what I mean? So anyways, my first step is to clean up out here, and by cleaning up I'm going to get rid of these cushions. They're 105 years old, true story, and they're super faded. I don't know if that comes across on the camera, but they are very faded. And I actually flipped this cushion over because you guys look at how old these cushions are. There's holes in them, and so I went ahead and bought some new cushions. So I'm going to get rid of these cushions. Before we moved into this apartment, this little bistro set that I've had forever actually sat in our garage, so I didn't do much with it. But yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and spruce that up. And then I want to clean this table off really well. It's got debris on it. I'm going to give the edges here, I don't know if you can see all the dirt that's up there. That needs to be cleaned off a bit. And then my patio floor really needs to be cleaned up, swept up. I've got my handy dandy super old broom for outdoors right here. And then I'm going to be using just some Windex and Aunt Fanny's cleaning vinegar, which is a new product that I've tried and I absolutely love it. And then of course I've got some paper towel here. So when you have a space that small, really keeping it clean makes a world of difference. It really does. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done, and then we'll move to step 2. Okay guys, so I went ahead and swept and cleaned the space. We're kind of down to the bones now. Everything's clean and just kind of sitting here. So our second step is, if you have any outdoor furniture that needs some sprucing up, don't necessarily go get new outdoor furniture. Sometimes you can just get some cushions or pillows and then make them look better. So I went ahead and got a couple of new cushions for my chairs here. I actually got them from the Drew Barrymore set, and I will go ahead and put a link in the description box below. I believe I got them for either 40 or 50% off. I'm not sure if they still have them. If they do, I'm not sure if that sale is still available. I'm imagining that it is because it's now July. So I'm going to go ahead and get those on the chairs, and I'll show you what that looks like. Oh my gosh, you guys, I just love my new cushions here. It already spruces up the place quite a lot. So of course these cushions were my focal point when I picked out the other things I'm going to put on my patio. So the next step, I'm going to go ahead and add a rug. A rug makes loads of difference on a patio. If I were going to stay here longer, I would definitely get a bigger rug, but I just got a small outdoor rug for now because, like I said, we're only going to be here a few more months. So let me go ahead and grab that. Okay guys, so this is the rug that I picked out. I really liked this one because it had the palm leaves in it, which of course there are palm leaves in my cushion, so that was a win-win. I'll go ahead, I can't remember what company this rug was. I got it from Walmart.com, so I'll make sure I put a link to this rug, and I'm sure it was 20 bucks or less. I can't remember exactly, but I'll go ahead and look that up, and that'll be in the description box below. I'm using my little 5-pound weights here to hold the rug down because it's going to need to have something hold it down for a day or two to flatten it because it came rolled up. So there's a tip for you. Make sure you weigh your outdoor rug down with something, and it should be golden within a day or two. So adding a rug to any patio is a super quick way to spruce it up a bit. So let's go ahead and move on to my fourth step. Okay guys, so my fourth tip is flowers. And if I were staying here more permanently, I would get a lot more flowers than just these two. I got these at a local nursery called Wojo's. So yeah, even if you just add a plant or you add 10 of them, it really spruces things up. I did go with the pink. There's pink in my cushions, so it kind of ties in together. And so that's step number 4, flowers. So step number 5 is accessories, and of course you can add as much or as little as you'd like. I just got this tin. This was, I think this was Better Homes and Gardens, and this was also from Walmart.com, and I know I didn't spend that much for it. It was like 15 or below. It's also got the palm leaves in it. It's kind of a copper tin, and it's kind of a fake, like it looks like a candle's in there. It's actually solar, you guys. So all day it soaks up the sun, and then at night it has the light coming out of it in the pattern of the leaves. It's so super pretty and cute. Now for the accessories, this is all I got for my patio because it is such a small patio, and because we're going to be moving in a few months here, I didn't want to spend a lot of money because I'm not real sure on the theme I'm going to go with once our yard is complete and everything. So I just got the one accessory, but of course you could get more. So accessories is a great way to spruce up your patio. So I'm just going to set it on my little table here, and then we've got rooms for drinks or what have you. And so this will soak up the sun all day, and then it'll illuminate at night, so it's super pretty. I went ahead and tested it out before now, and it's really cool looking when it's lit up. What I'm going to go ahead and do is let it sit out here in the sun all day, and then I will come back through and show you what the patio looks like with the light at nighttime. Okay guys, so this is my little lantern lit up. I wanted to show you what that looked like at night. It's super pretty. We live right next to a huge bright light, so it's not super impressive because this entire place is completely lit up all night long. It drives me nuts. But yeah, so this is as dark as it gets at nighttime. But yeah, so that's my little lantern lit up, and I'll go ahead and plug this into where I said I would, and that's that. And you guys, I hate that it's such a small space that I can't really show you the whole thing at once, but you get the gist of it. I'm just going to move my camera around here so that you can see it. So I think that this turned out super nice for the small space that it is, and because we're just going to be here for a little bit, ignore the weights. I'm going to actually come out and put some more things down on it to keep it flat for a few days until it stays that way. But yeah, I really love the colors out here, and it will feel really good to sit out here with the new cushions and the rug and my accessory and the plants. So just to go over really quick, first step was to get rid of those cushions and clean up out here. The second step was replacing my cushion, and then the third step was our rug. The fourth step was adding flowers, and the fifth step was adding accessories. And so this is how my patio turned out. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you check out the Cleaning Mommy's channel. The link will be in the description box below, and I will see everybody soon.